NEGG stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? This is going to be my exact play for this upcoming week and next week. Look, I'm the only guy in this space that's done 43,000 videos and documented everything, so I have seen what's actually making me money and what's not. You know, it's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars of my own money, but at least I've seen what's making money. NEGG especially, it's such a beautiful bullish market, you know what I mean? And that just makes me just be more bullish. So once we open up on Monday, I am like religiously waiting for a confirmation so then I can take it up, because you can see how much this has actually been pumping. 71% on Friday is not a small delivery, and you can see like the most recent prediction before that, when I had this price, you know, it was sitting at 11 to 17. You know what I mean? That's crazy. So 3 weeks back, and if I don't see the price pulling down and giving me a shift, then there's just no way I'm buying. Very simple. And if you want to learn how I'm making all that absolute risk-free and get free insights and emails, click the first link in the description. It's free.